Welcome to our third tutorial. This one is about a one-layer city map. For the software we're gonna use the same software as before. We're going to use QGIS, Illustrator, and Lightburn. If you do not know how to install this software, I refer to the first tutorial. Open QGIS. At the menu on the left, choose the OpenStreetMap. You can find it underneath the XYZ tab. Now zoom in on the location as you want. For our map, we are going to choose a picturesque city of Leuven. Now center our map as we did before on our previous tutorial. With the map centered, click the green magnifying glass at the top menu. The same way we did before, we are going to use the highway key. Change into Canvas Extend. Now run the query. In the layer menu, you can delete all the layers. We only need the lines. Now save the map by going Project, Export as PDF. Make sure that the width of the pixels are the same as the height. Save it into the desired folder. You can open Adobe Illustrator. Open our file by going to File, Open, and click on the map, or just click and drag it into Illustrator. At the Layer menu on the right, we make a new layer by clicking on the New Layer icon. We're going to name the map layer Map, and the other layer, we're going to name Circle. With the circle layer selected, select the ellipse tool. Click and drag holding Shift and draw a circle on top of our map. Make sure to set the background and none and the line to 1 point. Now select the map and the circle together and make sure the background is empty, and the lines, in this case, we're going to change it to about 4. We don't need the square, so we can delete it. Now with both our layers selected, go to Object, Path, Outline Stroke. Now click on the Pathfinder with the both layers selected. If you cannot find Pathfinder, on the top menu go to Window and select the Pathfinder. Click Unite. Set to background back to none and the lines to 1 point. Now take the direct selection tool and the delete all shapes outside our circle. Now we can save our map. Go to File, Save and save as an SVG. Let's open up Lightburn and click File, Import, and open up our SVG file. Now let's draw a rectangle. With the rectangle selected, click the Offset tool. Make the offset 5 and make the corners round. Click the Delete Original Object slider. Change the size to whatever suits you. 390 by 290 in our case. My working area is 400 by 400, gives me a bit wiggle room. Select the map, change the color to blue and the name to Streets. Resize with the lock on. In our case we'll change it to 250. With both layers selected, click the horizontal align icon. Write the name of the map in whatever font you want in whatever size you like and center it with the Align tool. Make it another color and rename to name. Rearrange the outline layer underneath the other ones and press Start. For this design I use 3mm birch. You can finish this design with a varnish you like or a quick sanding, but be careful with the streets. Please consider subscribing to my Patreon for a lot of free and unique designs. Thanks for watching.